हेलो एवरीवन। लर्न विद वीरेंद्र में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम देखने वाले हैं डायनामिक्स ऑफ मशीनरी लेक्चर सीरीज एंड इन दिस लेक्चर वी आर गोइंग टू सी द प्रॉब्लम ऑन Powell governor. So let's see what is the problem. In a Powell governor equal arm length 300 mm, the upper and lower ends of arm mounted on the axis of governor, the extension of the arm and the lower arm governor each 80 mm long and parallel to the axis when the radius of rotation of a ball are 150 mm and 200 mm. The mass of the ball m is equal to 10 kg, mass of the sleeve is 100 kg. Determine range of the speed of governors. So in this Powell governors, this is the schematic figure, and from the schematic figure the radii of rotations are given as for minimum position is 150 mm and for maximum position it is given as 200 mm respectively. So for accordingly we have drawn the schematic diagrams for this is for minimum position and this is for maximum position. Then mass of the each ball is given as 10 kg, sleeve mass is given as 150 kg. Here is the radius of rotations are given. Then arm length is 300 mm given. So this is the arm length AO, 300 mm. Then for particularly if you look out the minimum position figure, we have to calculate what will be the H1. So we can easily apply here Pythagoras theorem for AOB. For AOB triangle you can apply Pythagoras theorem and you can easily calculate H1 is nothing but square root of 300 square minus 150 square. So H1 is equal to AD. If you look the figure, H1 is equal to, or we can say this BC distance, BC distance same as AD distance, okay, and that is nothing but your H1 distance. So BC is equal to AD is equal to H1 is equal to OB. Why these all distances are same? If you look out the lower arm AC also 300 mm, AB 150 mm, so you can easily calculate BC. So you will get BC same as 300 square minus 150 square. So we can say here BC लेंथ आपका AD के बराबर रहेगा और AD का लेंथ आपका OB के बराबर रहेगा. So OB क्या है आपका H1. H1 is your what is that, OB distance. So after calculating we will get 0.26 meter. Then we have to calculate GD distance, that is nothing but GA plus AD. So GD AG distance is given in a question is 80 mm. So just 260 mm plus 80 mm you will get 340 mm as a total G to D distance. Okay. Then here in the maximum position similarly we can calculate H2 as a 300 square minus 200 square. You can apply the Pythagoras theorem for ABO triangle and easily calculate that. So here is also same again, H2 is nothing but BC and BC is equal to AD, and we can say AD is equal to your H2 or is equal to OB, and these all distances are same, getting from 300 square minus 200 square, that is 223.60 mm. Again in a maximum position we can calculate GD as the summation of GA plus AD. You can add 80 mm. Here is the distance 80 mm given as a GA. 80 mm plus 223.60 you will get GD as a 303.6 mm. Now if both arms are equal, so all arms are equal consideration the case 300 mm given in a question, so we can apply the formula for that already we have derived in the previous lecture. You can see that in the previous lecture there we have derived the derivation on Powell governor. So n1 square is equal to 895 by h1 small m plus capital M divided by small m into AD by GD, and AD by GD is nothing but this distance. Okay, AD by GD. So these distances are very important. So 895 by h1 is calculated as a 260 mm, that is 0.26 meter. Mass is 10 kg plus 100 kg divided by 10, and AD by GD. Look at the AD. AD is nothing but H1 we have calculated 260 and GD is nothing but this 340. So 260 divided by 340 you can put in mm because it is a ratio, so either you can put in mm or meter, that is accepted. So you will get both are correct, so you will get n1 after calculating you will get N1 as 170.16 rpm. So next calculation is for N2. Similarly, we have calculated for N1, we can use the same formula 895 by H2, that is nothing but small m plus capital M divided by small m into AD by GD. What is difference here? We have to put the H2, and H2 we have already calculated, that is nothing but 300 square minus 200 square, because radius of rotation is going to be changed from 150 to 200 mm. So here we are using 200 mm, so you will get H2 as 223.60. So for H2 223, here we have put H2 in terms of meter 0.223. Again all the values are same, that is 10 kg and 100 kg. AD by GD. So what is AD? AD is nothing but this distance, and AD is same as BC, and BC is equal to H2. So H2 we have put as AD 223 and GD is 303.6. So here we have put in meters. Earlier as I said, you can put in mm also, because it is a ratio. So after calculating this, you will get required expression N2 as 180.25 rpm. And what we have to find out, range of speed. Range of speed is nothing but N2 minus N1, and the difference of N2 minus N1 we are getting 170 and N2 we have calculated as 180. So difference is near about 10 rpm. So thank you for watching my channel. If you are not subscribed, please do the subscribe.